Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on replacing the front sway bar links on my 15 Acadia. Start off by jacking the car up, securing it with jack stands, removing the tires. Little tip on the tires, guys. It's a 22 millimeter. I would suggest breaking the lugs free with like a breaker bar. Reason being is this chrome cover. If you use an impact gun on it, it will crack on you. I've had that happen to me. So just break them free and then just use your impact gun afterward to take the rest of the tire off. To remove the sway bar link, you're going to need 18 millimeter. Top one's easy to get to. We'll show you on the car. Top one is easy to get to with the impact gun. Bottom one, the bolt faces the other way, so you're going to need either a socket, a wrench. A little tip that might help you out. I took an 11/16 wrench, filed down, made it thinner, and that goes right here. And it'll hold the stud from spinning while you're taking the old one out. As you can see, this one, and then look at all the play in it. It needed it needed to be replaced. That's way too much play compared to the new one. I mean, you can't even budget. So let's get these on. All right, guys. This is the new one put in. A little tip: get yourself a pry bar and push down on the sway bar to get the bottom one in. You're gonna need a little bit of play. As you can see, guys, this one was completely torn. So you'll get like a clunking sound every time you go over a bump. The car won't feel right. So I would start with replacing these. I mean, it's really not that hard and they're really affordable, but that will cause issues. Look at that. Alright guys, that just about does it for this video. One more tip, not necessary, but as you can see, this bolt back here is a little difficult to get to. If you have yourself an 18 millimeter ratcheting wrench, it'll make it a lot easier to get that on and off. But besides that, top one goes in stud facing you, bottom one goes in stud facing away from you. And I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a good day.